Hello, my friend. Welcome back to Chi Diaries. My name is Chi. Today, we will be creating the letter P, and I promise you, if you watch this tutorial, it is kind of straightforward. You are going to see the little adjustment I had to do to get it to look perfect in the course of the video. So, this is fairly easy compared to some other letters, and from watching it is pretty self-explanatory. So I am just making like the bar section of letter P, and then I'm going to make the curve and braid. Like it's kind of easier. There's just a little adjustment you have to do later in the video so that the P will look, I don't know, just real or perfect as it should come out. Guys, please, as you watch the video, don't skip all the ads. At least don't skip the ads, or don't skip all the ads if you can, please, because when you watch an ad on my video, that is how I make money from YouTube. And of course, I'm trying to grow this channel and working extremely hard at it. So please help and be nice. No, please, just be kind. But if you cannot, just give this video a thumbs up. It will mean a lot, and I send you blessings for that. Thank you for clicking the thumbs up button. May your day be beautiful and perfect. Also, guys, I have already braided the previous letters A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H up to F, no, up to P, and most likely they are going to be completed very soon. So if you're interested in braiding like maybe your initials or your name, I even have some numbers braided, but I am going to redo them and have them in one playlist. But if you want to write like a word on your hair, I have you covered. You can just watch these letters and you can easily get it done. Remember, this is just like an example, so you can customize your letters. It can be like another font, just another font of the same letter. Just have fun with it and play with it, because it's fun, guys. It's really fun. So I hope you can share this to someone who who has an initial of letter P, or their name starts with letter P, or people who just are creative and explore with their hairstyle in this way. Please share the video with them. Towards the end of the video, you will see some other works I have done recently. Those includes, okay, the alphabet N-O, and of course I already mentioned it. I have them in my playlist. And then at the end, you're going to see like two butterfly braids or braided cornrows that have butterfly design, where I made a tutorial of how to braid a butterfly on a child's hair or on hair. If you're interested in learning how to do any of that, do check out the videos. They will be linked at the end of the video, at the end of this video. I mean,
como si estuviera en el cielo. Me siento como si estuviera tocando el cielo cuando te toqué. Cuando te miro, me siento como si estuviera en el cielo. Me siento como si estuviera tocando el cielo. Cuando te toqué, cuando te miro, me siento como si estuviera en el cielo. Me siento como si estuviera tocando el cielo. Cuando te toqué, no me dejes ir, no me dejes ir, te necesito, no me dejes ir, no me dejes ir, te necesito, no me dejes ir, te amo, no me dejes ir, no me dejes ir, te necesito, no me dejes ir, no me dejes ir, te necesito, no me dejes ir, te amo. Cuando te miro, me siento como si estuviera en el cielo. Me siento como si estuviera tocando el cielo. Cuando te toqué. Cuando te miro, me siento como si estuviera en el cielo. Me siento como si estuviera tocando el cielo. Cuando te toqué.